Abra Papa, a holistic nutritionist and healthy eating fanatic from NutritiousAmerica.com. Today we're going to have some fun with artichokes. So this is a recipe for a healthy artichoke appetizer. Artichokes are healthy to begin with, but we're going to just bump up the nutrients a little bit. We're going to start with an artichoke tapenade. So what I've done is I used frozen artichoke hearts here. They're really easy to find and they're super simple to use. So that was my preferred application of artichokes in this recipe. There's 9 ounces of frozen artichokes and I roasted them in the oven at 450 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes. Olive oil, salt and pepper. You want them to get a little bit brown and luscious. I'm just going to plop that into our food processor. And we're just going to pulse this until it's the consistency of a tapenade. Add a little bit of lemon juice. About half of a lemon. One more pulse. Okay, that's perfect. Now we can build our masterpiece. So I'm going to make a little crostini with smoked salmon, artichoke tapenade, Greek yogurt, and a little sprig of dill. No one needs to know this is healthy because it's so flavorful, it'll knock your socks off. All right, so let me grab a spoon. So we begin with a little bit of smoked salmon. Smoked salmon is a great source of protein. It's jam-packed with flavor. You just need a really little bit on each piece of bread here. I'll just build a couple for you so you get the idea. Okay. This one's crumbly. That's okay. Then you're going to spoon this luscious artichoke tapenade on top. This is wonderful for a summer barbecue, friends wine night. Although they do say that artichokes is the one food you cannot pair properly with wine. A little dollop of Greek yogurt. And then we'll just do a sprig of dill. Artichokes are the perfect party food because they help your body metabolize alcohol. So they help you to not have a hangover. So serve artichokes at your next party and your guests will really love you. So you get the idea. We have a healthy artichoke appetizer. It's smoked salmon and artichoke tapenade, Greek yogurt, and a sprig of dill. Thanks for watching. I'm Abra Papa from NutritiousAmerica.com. Have a delicious day.